Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. Viewers, in this video, we are talking about how to cure sore throat at home. Basically, sore throat is one of the common symptoms all over the world. Throat pain is often caused by a viral and bacterial infection. It is also caused by allergies, dry air, and outdoor pollution. Most of these illness are viral infection that will not respond to antibiotic. So it is very important to identify whether it is due to bacterial, viral, or due to any other reasons. There are two types of throat problems. One is bacteria strep throat, while the other one is viral sore throat. In strep throat, patients feels fever but not cough. While in case of viral sore throat, there will be cough, runny nose, also changes the person's voice. Some people with sore throat looks pink eyes and having no fever. In case of bacterial strep throat, there will be high fever greater than 101 degree. Persons will also feel small tonsils. So, in this video, we will talk about natural home remedies to treat sore throat in home. First of all, salt water. Salt water is one of the simplest and effective home remedy to treat sore throat. The salts here pulls out the mucus from your swollen and inflamed tissues. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt in lukewarm water. Do the salt water garbling for several times in each day. Other and important remedy is to use turmeric. Turmeric is the powerful antioxidant. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that protects the variety of infections in your body. You must use turmeric warm milk 2 times a day. It helps you in sore throat infection. So make yourself keep hydrated and take proper rest. Viewers, hope you would like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.